hot day across the region, and we can see it here on our almanac. 95 degrees was our recorded high temperature, well above our normal of 87. Check this out, record set back in 1925 of 102. So we were closer today to the all-time record than we were, well, where we should have typically been in the upper 80s. Overnight low today, early this morning, was about 71 degrees. That's still a bit warmer than our typical low of 65. Tonight, we're going to drop down to 72. It's going to be clear. It's going to be humid, though, with winds light and variable out of the southeast at about 4 miles per hour. Just a very slight chance of an isolated shower possible. Our bus stop forecast for tomorrow, it's going to be in the 70s most of the morning with mostly sunny skies. By about 8 a.m. we should see plenty of sunshine in the sky. An afternoon high temperature tomorrow of 92 degrees. Now today we saw a high temperature of 96 in Hattiesburg. Looks like that clicked up one since we've been on air here. 94 in Laurel, 95 in Jackson, mostly just the low to mid 90s across most of the region. And of course the humidity we add in, and it feels like we're well into the triple digits. And at Hattiesburg it feels like, or felt like in today's peak heating, of 104 degrees. Wiggins at 105. Current wind speeds currently, though, light out of the east in most of the northern locations. Here in Hattiesburg, just light and variable at about 0 out of the north. Wiggins east at about 6 miles per hour. Now here's what to expect over the next couple of days as we end the work week, both tomorrow through Thursday. It'll be mostly sunny tomorrow. It's going to be hot. An isolated spotty thunderstorm is possible. We'll end the week on Friday with partly sunny skies. Increasing chances of rain Friday afternoon into Friday evening with spotty showers possible, and in some locations near Hattiesburg likely on Saturday, some of those lingering through Sunday. Now here's what we'll see tomorrow. We'll see a high temperature of 94 in Hattiesburg, 93 in Sanford. Columbia, we'll see a high temperature of 92 degrees. We see these showers and thunderstorms, chances of these showers and thunderstorms across most of the region tomorrow, with temperatures staying in the low 90s. But it's going to feel like it's much warmer. We add in that humidity, and of course our real field temperature breaks into the triple digits in the peak of the daytime heating. So if you've got to be outside, drink plenty of water. As our forecast map for tomorrow, we do see those hit or miss thunderstorms across most of the eastern half of the state into the western half of Alabama. Plenty of steamy air moving up from the south. Now here's a look at our 7-day planner. You can see those chances of rain in the forecast as we enter into the second half of the week at about a 40% chance Thursday, 40% chance Friday. Rain chances picking up as we move into the weekend. But check this out. By the end of the weekend, a weak cold front does make its way through the region. It drops our temperatures down into the upper 80s. We'll start off next week with chances of rain, but nonetheless high temperatures in the upper 80s, 87 degrees. So that'll be nice.
Yeah, finally out of the 90s.
Let's not get used to it, though.
Oh.
This weekend is the first official weekend of fall, so it's possible that we're getting some of these cooler temperatures coming in.
Maybe to stay, maybe not.
We'll see. It's a little too early.
Okay, because the heat index, even when it's in the upper 80s, you're still feeling
feels
it.
like, oh, it's still just brutal.
Pretty hot.
Pretty
Not
hot.
feeling like fall just yet. Thanks.